Today's topic is cancellation loss in ring theory. Already we know that cancellation loss in group also. Okay. Here in cancellation loss, no. We discuss about cancellation loss in rings. Okay. If R comma plus comma dot is a ring, then cancellation loss for addition is always possible. Here we consider A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to A plus C. A plus B is equal to A plus C. Here A is cancelled on both sides. What we will get here? B is equal to C. Then by left cancellation, this is left cancellation draw. Again we consider here B plus A is equal to C plus A. B is equal to C. Again by right cancellation law we have B is equal to C. Okay, these are the cancellation laws. Okay, under addition. Okay, for multiplication, if A, you have to consider here, if A not equal to 0 and AB is equal to AC, implies B is equal to C. Here A is a non-zero element. Here A is a non-zero element and AB is equal to AC plus B is equal to C by left cancellation. For this, how can you prove this? See here. For AB is equal to C, AC. AB, it can be written as AB minus AC is equal to 0. Here A is common here. Then what will we get here? A into B minus C is equal to 0. B minus C is equal to 0. Since A not equal to 0, implies B is equal to C. Okay, again, it can be done like this also. Here A inverse, you have to apply A inverse on both sides here. A inverse on both sides. Okay. A inverse of AB is equal to A inverse of AC. A inverse into A into B is equal to A inverse into A into C. Okay. A inverse into A is equal to E into B. A inverse into A is equal to E into C. EB is equal to EC. Implies B is equal to C. Here E is the identity element in R. That's why E into B is equal to B. E into C is equal to C. Okay. That are the cancellation laws in ring. Okay. Next, coming to the definition. Ring without zero divisors. If a ring or comma plus comma dot such that if AB is equal to 0, either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Here consider here product AB is equal to 0. In this product either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. For every A comma B belongs to R. Then R comma plus comma dot is a ring without zero divisors or has no proper zero divisors. Without zero divisors are nothing but has no proper zero divisors. Okay. For example, for this have to consider an example. Here I comma plus comma dot is without zero divisors. Here what is the condition here? A dot B is equal to 0. Either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. For this you have to consider here 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Like as 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and so on. Ring. Next, coming to the next definition, ring without zero divisors. Ring with zero divisors. If R comma plus comma dot is a ring such that there exists a pair A not equal to 0 and B not equal to 0 implies AB is equal to 0. Then R comma plus comma dot is a ring with zero divisors. R comma plus comma dot is a ring with zero divisors. In this definition we will have here AB is equal to 0. Product of these two elements 0 and these are two non-zero elements. Consider two non-zero elements and their product is 0. Here consider two non-zero elements, that is A not equal to 0 and B not equal to 0. The product of these two elements is equal to 0. That is the condition of zero divisors. Okay. Then R comma plus comma dot is a ring with zero divisors. Zero divisors is nothing but has proper zero divisors. Has proper zeros. Okay. Next, I4. Consider example I4 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Addition modulo 4, multiplication modulo 4. Okay, now consider the composition table like here. Multiplication modulo 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Here 0 multiplication modulo 4 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 0, 0 is equal to 0. Here 0 is less than 4. That's why it can be is equal to 0. Okay, 0 into 1, same like as 0 into 1. Multiplication modulo 4 is equal to 0. 0 multiplication modulo 2 is equal to 0. 0 multiplication modulo 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, coming to the 1. 1 multiplication modulo 1 multiplication modulo 4, 0 is equal to 0. 1 multiplication modulo 1 is equal to 1 ones are 1. 1 divided by 4 and it will be 1 is less than 4 here. That's why it will become 1. Okay, same as 1 multiplication modulo 4, 2 is equal to 1. Multiplication modulo 4, 2 is equal to 2. 1 multiplication modulo 3 is equal to 3. Okay, next coming to this 2. 2 multiplication modulo 4, 0 is equal to 0. 2 multiplication modulo 1, 4 is equal to 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 is less than 4. That's why it will become 2. Okay. Next 2 2s are 4. 2 multiplication modulo 4, 2 is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by 4. What will remainder here? 0. 4 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. What will we get remainder? Here remainder. We can write here remainder. What is the remainder here? 0. Four by 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Next 2 3s are 6. 2 multiplication modulo 4, 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Remainder 2. Okay, 6 4. 2 3s are 6. 4 ones are 4 minus 2. What will the remainder here? 2. That's why we write here 2. Okay. Next, coming to the 3. 3 multiplication modulo 4, 0 is equal to 3. 3 multiplication modulo 4, 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplication modulo 4, 2 is equal to 2. 3 multiplication modulo 4, 2 is equal to 3 multiplication modulo 4, 2 is equal to 2. Okay, 3 2s are what? 3 2s are 6. 4 1s are 4 minus 2. What will be the remainder here? 2. That's why I have to write here 2. Okay, 3 multiplication modulo 4, 3. 3 3s are 9. Divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 4 2s are 8. What will be the remainder here? 1. Okay, 1. That's why you have to write here 1. That's the problem. Okay. For this example, if a not equal to a equal to 2 not equal to 0, consider 2 here. A is equal to 2 and b is also is equal to 2. Here a is equal to 2 not equal to 0 and b is equal to 2 not equal to 0. By the definition of without 0 with 0 divisors, you have to consider here 2 non-zero elements. But the product of these two elements is equal to 0. That is the definition of 0 divisors. Okay, if a is equal to 2 not equal to 0 and b is equal to 2 not equal to 0, the product, what will be the product here? A multiplication modulo 4, b is equal to, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. What will be the remainder here? 0. That's why we will get the 0. This is the example of ring with 0 divisors. Okay.